You are most welcome to our channel. If you are joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it to others so that they also benefit. So in this particular question, we have to evaluate 2 whole number 1 over 2 exponent 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2 exponent 2. So in order to avoid the tedious way of working it, that is squaring 2.5, that is multiplying 2.5 by 2.5, and then also multiplying 1.5 by 1.5, and then finding their difference. In order to avoid that tedious method of solving the question, we are going to solve it using the difference of 2 squared, since the two fractions are all squared. So by difference of 2 squared, we have 2.5 plus 1.5. That is, you add the fractions together, multiply by the first fraction minus the second fraction. That is how we apply the difference of 2 squared. So from here, we add these two fractions together. 2.5 plus 1.5 will give us 4, because 2 plus 1 will give us 3, and half plus half will give us 1. 1 added to the 3 will give us 4. Then you will now multiply by the difference of the two fractions. So 2.5 minus 1.5 will give us 1, because 2 minus 1 will give us 1, and half minus half is what? 0. So we multiply 4 by 1 to get the answer. So 4 multiplied by 1 will give us 4. So that means the correct answer is option D. That is how we evaluate the expression. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Bye for now.